Happy people, and welcome to the Philip Effect. In this video today I'll be showing you how to make your light this way to be bright or to be clean. Yeah, so for example, we've already used this one to actually wash it already, and then we're going through it with this. It's actually something you can buy online. It's quite cheap. You just peel it off and then you put it on it. And then this is just water with soap. So this is what I'll be using to make it shine. Okay, I've already cleaned it for some days now, and I realize it remains this way. Like, it's good, but it's not bright. It's not like completely transparent. So when I bought this one, I decided to just rub it on it to see what happens. So you can actually see the part where I rubbed it with my finger is really good, and it remained clear. All right, so what I decided to do is I don't want to use my finger for that because it's not so smooth when you do so. So I got something like this. Okay, it's so easy stuff. It's like it's just a perfume spray. Okay, you can, if you have an empty one, you can take it like this. And then I've decided I'll be pouring this into this, then I can spray it and it will be perfect. Okay, all right. So before that, I would like to use this. I like to be using this machine again, to this drill machine. I just put it on to just clean it again and then keep it dry before I spray this on it. So I'll do that. So I just spray it with just soap and water. And after that, I need to make sure I wipe it down to make sure it's dried, like dried. All right. So after which, I'll be applying this old newspapers to the edges, because we'll be spraying it. I don't want it to get to the other parts of the car, so we'll be applying this on the edges. So you can see how I'm doing so. It's just to protect the edges. So now we've done so like this. So I'm just going to be putting some quantity from this into the spray bottle like I was telling you guys before. So I'll just open it. And then you pull this stuff off. Oh, it's really cold. So hold on. Another easy way you could do so, it up tight. You see, it's full. Now we just need to spray it on it. I'm just going to hold the camera closer so you see the difference. You can actually see the lights from inside now. It's crazy what can happen. Some people use, you see the difference? And the interesting thing is it will remain like this. It's not like, you know, when something gets wet and it changes color again. This one, it remains as it is. Look at that. Whatever scratches you had on it before is gone. What you can do is, you can actually, see how clean again. Okay, you can actually wait and then you spray again later. Okay, you can wait for some minutes for it to dry and then you spray it again. It's really looking good. You see how good it's looking. So in comparison to this one, from distance, let's say from distance, you can see it this way. You see the difference? You can see through it easily. But this one you can see it really easily. Alright. So that's how it's done. And after that you can peel this away, or you can spray it one more time or twice. Alright, that was it for today. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you have any questions you can do so in the comment section, and if you have any recommendation or suggestion about further videos you can do so too, and we'll try our best to be as fast as possible and make it done. Bless.